Are you looking for new ways to make healthy food interesting for kids? Today, I'm bringing you simple, sweet snacks designed for lunchboxes. As a parent, you already have enough on your plate, so I'm sharing my snack hacks to help you pack more nutrients into your children's lunchboxes without the added effort. Let's tuck in. These juicy gems also provide fiber and antioxidants in one sweet bite. Deliciously sweet when in season and perfectly sized for school-age kids. I also like to make homemade icebox with frozen berries and yogurt for a healthier after-school snack. School-aged kids love popcorn, but you can put a yummy, sugar-free twist on it by adding a sprinkle of cinnamon. Just remember, a little bit of seasoning goes a long way. Corn on the cob is the ideal finger food for kids. I steam or boil it the night before, and I have it in the fridge ready to go. Sugar snap peas, on the other hand, are delicious raw, no prep needed. And as the name suggests, these crunchy veg are naturally sweet. When it comes to fresh fruit, bite-sized pieces seem to appeal more to kids than being faced with a whole piece of fruit. You can cut oranges and kiwi into mini wedges and prepare half a banana by slitting the skin so it easily opens in the playground. Bake some easy blueberry muffins for an easy snack. My tip is to add some mashed banana to any recipe you find, and you'll naturally reduce added sugars while adding in more of the healthy stuff. You already know I use banana as my secret weapon to make healthy and tasty bakes. Mashed bananas star in my 2-ingredient baked coconut macaroons along with desiccated coconut. I also use them to sweeten the easiest 3-ingredient pancakes made with just eggs and oats. You can find these delicious time-saving recipes at Healthy Life. Share your healthy lunchbox ideas with us at Healthy Life AU.